This demo is going to walk you through the steps of downloading and installing the CMS Client, or the Central Management System software, to remotely connect to your IN7100 or any of our NVR and DVR embedded series. There's a couple of things you're going to need to be able to get to this file. You're going to need obviously a web browser. Now if you use Internet Explorer, you can use Firefox, you can use Google Chrome, or whichever you like to access the file. But also you're going to need a way to unpack the file. So the file is done in a zip folder. So if you're unfamiliar with zip folders, what you're going to need is a copy of a program called 7-zip. So the number 7-zip. This will allow you to unpack the folders that we're going to need to do the rest of this installation. If you've got those, great. Navigate to our website at impathnetworks.com. You'll see it up above here, and you'll get brought to this home screen. So from here we'll click on Support. Then we'll click on Downloads. Now I've already downloaded the file, so what you'll do is you'll click on this link, the Empath Remote Client version 5.79. There's a quick installation guide that you can download and look at, and there will also be a video to show you a little bit more about setup and how to get a remote connection started. Once we've got the software downloaded, minimize your web browser, and you'll get this file here. What you'll do is you'll right click, and on your PC you should see Extract Here. Once you go through that, you'll extract that to your desktop, and you'll end up with a folder in your desktop that looks very similar to this, CMS Client version 5.79. So when we double click on that folder, we're brought to this screen, and we're shown 3 files. Now the file we'll need to use is the CMS Client, this one right here. It is very important not to move or change any of the files in these 2 folders, because it could corrupt the installation of your client. Once you see this screen, double click on the CMS Client, and you'll go through probably very familiar installation prompts for other programs you've seen. So we essentially continue to click Next until we get an install button. Now it may take a couple of minutes for this to install. It depends on your PC and your speed, but it usually should only take maybe a minute or so and it will be installed. Once the installation process has been finished, you'll be presented with this screen that says Finish. So once we click Finish, we can close our document window here, and you will see an icon on your screen that says CMS Client. Double click on this will launch the CMS Client. Watch our next videos for how to set up a remote connection to our office.